Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 10, Amazing Inventions. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, under the title of pronunciation skills, we will learn today about trigraphs and its sounds, and we will cover up page number 78. And before in English for grade 3, we already have learned about trigraph in details. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Today we are going to learn more about trigraphs. Our today's students' learning outcomes are articulate and practice words containing digraphs, trigraphs and silent letters. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 257, Allah is the guardian of the believers. He brings them out of darkness and into light. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah is always guardian of believers. Who are believers? Definitely Muslim students, definitely we are believers. We have firm belief on Allah Almighty, on His greatness. So definitely we are in believers, and Allah Almighty always put His believers put out from darkness into light. So do you know why I have highlighted that word light? You can judge that. We are going to learn about such type of words, my dear students. Yes, let's refresh our previous knowledge. What are digraphs? What do you know about trigraphs? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent. I hope you have got it in an excellent way. Yes, what are digraphs? Let's see. A digraph is combination of two letters together in one sound. Examples of digraphs are CH, SH, TH and NG. These are the examples of digraphs, my dear students. And what is a digraph? Digraph is always combination of two letters together. Two letters together will give us one sound. Suppose CH like chalk, we can say that, and it is giving a single sound. SH, we can get that shoe. So SH giving us a same single sound, but there are two letters. TH like thumb and NG like king. NG is also giving us single sound. Let's see what are trigraphs. A trigraph is a single sound that is represented by three letters. Yes, my dear students, digraph is represented by two letters, and trigraph, as we can get about that tri also, it is represented by three letters. So tri means three. But what does the tri mean, my dear students? Tri means three. So it means trigraph is the combination collection of three letters, like triangle and tricycle. Trigraphs means three letters placed together, and each letter is important to the final sound of the word. Yes, my dear students, and all letters are so important. They are totally connected with each other, and they are so important for the final sound of the third letter. Let's see how. For example, in the word match, three letters are TCH. At the end make only one sound. Like you can say that mat. So we can clearly get that TCH is giving us single sound, but that single sound is the combination of 3 letters, and so simply we can get that this is a trigraph. Yes, other examples of trigraphs are there. IGH as in sigh. Sigh. You can see that how he is sighing. So this is also a trigraph. And GHT as in light. That is a common word. We know that, light. And next is TCH as in cat. When we are going to catch something, so this is also a trigraph. Yes, my dear students, let's learn with fun. Let's perform an activity. Be ready and be active now in your class. Yes, my dear teachers, write at least 10 words on the board containing digraphs and trigraphs. Make pair of students and call them near the whiteboard. One student will circle the digraph and other will underline the trigraph on the board. Engage whole class in the activity and clear the concept of digraphs and trigraphs. Yes, my dear students, make this activity in a very funny way that student must enjoy, and also our main purpose is that concept must be clear. So perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Excellent way. I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed a lot, my dear students. So let's perform an individual activity. Open your book, page number 78, question number 5. Underline the trigraphs in the following words. In these words we have already learned about. Now you will underline the trigraphs. Just you will underline trigraphs, my dear students. Perform this activity in your class and individually focus on your work and then come back. Excellent. I hope you have enjoyed and you have done it, my dear students. Yes, so what's our today homework? Today we will write question number 6 given on book, page number 79 in your notebook. This is question. Make trigraphs with the following in your notebook on page number 79. This is your today's homework, my dear students, and you will make trigraphs in your notebooks. And yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. Click it and provide it to your students in printed form. Yes, what we have learned today? Today we learned about trigraphs and its different sounds in words. And in this way we have covered up our SLO. Articulate and practice words containing digraphs, trigraphs and silent letters. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So with tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.